Alright, y'all, so to debadge this, we're going to heat it up first. um, I have this tool I ordered offline in a kit for vinyl wrap, and I think it'll do a pretty good job on what we needed to do. If not, I got other ideas on how to get this stuff off. So first we're just going to heat up all of them, scrape them off, and then come back, clean the area, and then we'll start adding the decal. So we're gonna go ahead and speed all this stuff up. Because I've already went through all of this, got these three letters knocked out. Word of advice: don't just hover over it, sit still, keep it moving. It heats it up, gets it actually pretty hot, but you're not gonna warp the plastic if you keep it moving. And you only got to do it for a few seconds, for about 10 or 15 seconds, man. And I mean, you see how easy they come off without really leaving anything behind. And then boom, you know what I'm saying, that's all off. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take some simple green cleaner. I've used this a few times on like the front end for bugs and stuff, and behind the wheels for like tar that gets on there, or really stuck on grime behind the wheels. A lot of the times, like when you put tire shine on your car, on your wheels, tire spin, flings up the side, and it kind of like leaves a coating on there. This is like a very non-toxic, and it doesn't really do too much damage. I say don't do too much damage. It doesn't do any damage at all to the paint, and it also cleans it very well. So that's why I use the simple green. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use just this blue mechanics paper towel. Hopefully I don't got to put too much elbow grease into it. So we'll spray it on here, let it sit for a minute. And your decal is going to go from about right here to about right here. So I would clean about 2 or 3 inches past where your decal is going to be. So let's see if we can't get this stuff to come right off. So we have cleaned it with the simple green. I'm gonna go grab some alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol also, and that'll just help get the chemicals off that would cause it to not hold. So just regular old isopropyl alcohol. Use it for boo-boos and shit on your kids. You know, they hate it, it burns. So pretty much what we'll do is we'll just get this a little wet, and then just boom, man, let it sit there for a second. Clean. I made these on my own. You can't really see it very well, but I don't know how it'll turn out. Like I said, I made these on my own. I'm hoping it'll be pretty good. This will be the first layer we'll go on there. It kind of leaves that embossed look, I'm hoping, and you should barely be able to see it. And then you will come back, and we'll put this one on there, and then hopefully it gives that illusion of the embossed look. I have words missing, not really words missing, but I have hopefully where I'll be able to put my YouTube name here. Not really my YouTube name, but just a little phrase I go by, the Hemi Barber. So I'm hoping it works out well. I actually did this wrong earlier. I cut the word out. I did this on my own. This is just some regular decal vinyl. So, and then the Hemi Barber will go over that. So hopefully it looks good.
Yeah. I'm turning my hat to the back for this. Yeah, I'm Godzilla, you a vibe killer. Get out my face, I don't vibe with you. All I'm fucking with is my niggas. And my business, man, is my business. I get it, you niggas, when I finish. Rodeo my wrist, nigga, time's ticking since I left the West for a Canadian. I've been ballin' like a wide enter. Now when I enter, niggas see me coming. Got a pocket for that money, walking funny. Be careful, nigga, when you walk up on me, cause the voices in my head talking to me. And this weed got me paranoid. This Henny got me leaning. What's the name of this movie that I keep living? I must be dreaming shit, but it's on now, cause I'm on now. You know where I'm from? Shit, I came from the slum, but I never sold dope. No, I never used guns. I ain't had to, but I got some niggas I can call that'll blast you. When you on gangbang, see niggas will put it past you. Little do they know why I get in the nigga ass too, especially about my paper, I'm going cash. Yeah, nigga, that's nuts. Lately, I've been giving no fucks. Bad bitch with me, nigga, rolling that skunk. If you smell it on me, nigga, that's sus. Real nigga, what up? Yeah, I'm back on my boss. Yeah, they thought I lost it, they musta lost it. I was just running shit, man, I'm exhausted. Oh shit, get him a coffin. Killing these niggas, man, I swear that I ain't feeling these niggas. I'm about to start billing these niggas and cutting niggas off. Give me the scissors, chop, chop, and it don't stop. When the shit drop, man, it's gon' pop. Yeah, I know it's been a real rough ride, but I shut them down, open up shop. Yeah, I'm on my DMX shit. What these bitches want from a nigga? I don't know, but they been on it, nigga. This weed come from California, nigga. That's that marijuana, nigga. If you want a nigga, come and get it. Ain't nobody fucking with me, I can feel it. I'ma make a killing, do it independent. Even when I'm winning, I ain't never finished. Godzilla, you a vibe killer. Fuck as you mean? Godzilla, you a vibe killer.
So let me just say that I took this completely back off and redid it completely. I used water. I did the tint trick again, and it worked out a lot better. Do I still have bubbles in it? Yes. It is not perfect. I did not make it perfect, but I found a better way to get it. So I mean, it's dope. It looked good. I think it's fire. You can barely see the embossed stuff. It just kind of looks like creases, but when you get up on it, looks dope. So, I just want to show y'all the finished product. Like, again, I have to change it because of that there condensation in my tail lights. So this again was just my second attempt at it, and it turned out way better than the first one. So hopefully the next time I do it on the headlight, or on the tail lights that I'm gonna keep on here, it looks even better. But that's all I wanted to show you guys, man. I did everything the same, other than before I put the vinyl on, I sprayed it down with just water, just basic water. I used to use soapy water, but I just figured I'd give it a try with just regular water. And it worked, man. At least it worked for me. It looks good. Letters look good. Color matches pretty good. So, y'all have a good day.